चंडीगढ़ तो आई नी तेनू देख के होके भरदे ने खड़े चौंका विच सिपाही नी कोटी ते काला दिल कुड़िए कोटी ते काला दिल कुड़िए जो धागे चन दे टुकड़े ते तेनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए कोले मुखड़े ते तेनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए कोले मुखड़े ते सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे.
Hi guys, so this was Kala Chashma fun dance workout for all of you. As you can see, I'm completely wet. I'm wet, even my pants are wet, my underwear is also wet I guess. And so this is what this dance is all about. It's not about fast choreography and the best choreography. It's about everybody at their homes, at their places can watch this video and learn the steps, dance it out, sweat it out, because through dance you can release a lot of stress, you can also lose weight and you can remain fit. So that's why the steps are very simple, it's very basic, so that everybody can enjoy dancing. I want you to now get up, get into your dance outfit and come back so that I can give you the tutorial. Even I'll go and change, I will get into a better outfit where I'm not sweating, and I'm going to give you the tutorial of this song. So I want everybody to dance, and that's why the steps are simple, because I want you to dance. I don't want you to just watch the video and sit at home. Come on, get out of that bed and start dancing. See you soon. Okay, hi everyone. Shall we start the tutorials now? Come on. The first step is keep your legs wide in second position, and from there I want you to go right, left. So right, left, you're transferring the weight. Right, left, right, left. Okay, this we have to do a little fast. So how do we go? 1, 2. Okay, and the hands will go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you can open, close, or you can just keep it closed. Whatever you like. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You shift it. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, stop here now. For practice, you can keep doing this, but I want you to do 1, 2. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. From there you go shoulder shrug. 3 and 4. 4 you look towards the right side and you go 3 and 4. The whole thing again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. From there I want you to ball change. How do you do ball change? Now you are going towards the left side. So right leg is ahead, left leg is behind, and you go 1. So starting with the left leg. So the left leg has to go behind and right leg has to go in front at the same time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. 2 you stretch your left leg out. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And the hand will go 1, 2, over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Okay, there's a hand in between. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When I'm doing 2, my right hand is on top of the left hand. Okay, let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's do it with the music, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go! Okay, let's go ahead from there. Now what you have to do is, the last step was right, left. From here you step your left leg out, okay? I hope you can see me. You just step your left leg out and you go punch, punch. From there you go up, down. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, 8, punch, punch, up, down. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, punch, look, up, down. From here you go towards the left side and you go left, right. Use your shoulder and just groove. Okay, fine. Now people who can't do 1 and 2 and if it's too fast for you, you will just do 1 and 2 and. Okay, 1 and 2 and. Means punch, punch, bring it back. And use your right leg, the knee, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and from there you go 3, 4. People who can do this easily and want to do more will do 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So 3, 4. From here you will go hop, hop. Similar to the first step. But this time use your chest also. So you go 1, 2 and as if you're pulling something in. Okay? So 1, 2. From there you go 3, 4. You join your legs. Okay? 3, 4. And use your hands. So you're twisting. You're twisting towards the right side. The hand is going towards the right side. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep practicing. Very good. Yeah. Shall we go ahead? Then let's go. Okay. From there, very simple. Now what you have to do is you just have to walk in front. Okay, so you go 1, 2. So you step with the right leg, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Look at the right side. Left. Stop. Stand with a lot of attitude. Now from here, you just have to twist and use your shoulders. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right shoulder is going upwards. Okay? So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And my legs are going towards the left side. I'll show you again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now I have changed it. I have changed it towards the right side, from the left to right. Or you can stick to one side. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8 there is a screaming sound that comes. Okay? So in that you again do the ball change and you go like as if you're screaming. Okay? Or if you don't want to do ball change, just do drag out. Okay? Again, if you don't want to do ball change, then just do drag. Okay? Or you can jump, whatever you like. Okay, let's do the music. Okay, let's go ahead. Now from there, we're going to do some very simple step, very high on energy, like cardio steps. Okay? So what you have to do is, you pull with your hands and take the right leg in front towards the left side. So you go 1, 2. Okay? So you pull, push. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing this side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And now you can bounce and you can travel in front. So watch 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now you can even look in that direction, it's fine. Or you can look in front. Let's go to the music. From there, so we finished 5, 6, 7, 8. From here you will go towards the left side. I'm facing left side diagonal and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm doing is I'm just hitting with the heel of the right leg. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this in place or you can travel ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the hands will go down, up, down, up. Okay? Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here you will go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, from here you will go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So I'll teach you the legs first. You go 1, forward, right leg, 2, 3 and 4 you stay there. Okay? And 4 you can shift your weight also. And the hands will go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Actually rather come on the toes, it's easier. Same thing, right side, you go 5, 6, 7 and 8. So both the times and you look down and up. Watch again the whole step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's do it with the music. From here, I just want you to take your right leg that side towards the right side and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? As if you're cleaning the dust from the left shoulder, right shoulder and go away. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will do it from here. Left side, right side and dusting away the dust step. Okay? All the 3 steps we will do it. Ready? Okay. Now we do the signature step of Kala Chashma. How does it go? Stand in second position and from here I just want you to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Knock knees inside. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the hands will go 1, 2, 3, 4. As if you're punching down. So 3 times you punch down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing, right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go to the music. As you can see, I'm already sweating. I hope you're sweating too and enjoying. Let's go ahead. From there, you go right hand, left hand. Okay, as if you're showing the glasses. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4 and down. Okay, as if the flame of fire. From there you go. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. From there you just have to go dipping. Okay, lift up your left leg and go towards your right leg. So the weight is going to the right leg. Okay, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you show the face and then you keep your hand over here. Okay, shall we do the music? So that was the first signature step of the song. The second signature step of the song is, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going right, left, right, left. Okay, you just have to swing, shift your weight. Okay, so let's do 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a clap. Now, to start that 1, you can do a slight jump if you want. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, even this is possible. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to pull inside and the pelvic goes forward. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 and 4 is just the twist of the knee. So those were the signature steps of this song. After this, we'll just do 2-3 steps more like fun dancing. So the first step will be my favorite one, my favorite Punjabi step. We go right, left, clap, clap. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first right side and flex your right foot, then flex your left foot and left side, and I want you to shimmy. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how do you do this? As if you are pulling something down. So pull and this will go bounce up, the left side. Okay, as if I'm on the boat. Okay, one more time the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here, the left leg is in front, it's towards the right side. What you have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, tap, step, tap, step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce. Use your torso. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one you have to do twice. So we have done 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, reverse wave. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and so chest, and close. Close your hands. This is a similar step that even Katrina has done in the movie. Actually, a lot of steps we have done in the movie, which we have taken. So we go 5, 6, 7, and close. And that's the end of the song. So we do the last part with the music. Are you ready? So remember, when you're learning the dance or when you're teaching the dance, you don't have to put so much of force into your dance. It can be easy. Keep it simple, keep it light. Learn the steps, and once you've got the steps and when you're performing, it has to be like power packed. You have to be the star on the stage. So I want you to learn this choreography and perform it wherever you want. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorials, and we're going to come up with more such tutorials, more lessons. Until then, keep dancing, spread the joy of dance, and stay happy. Goodbye.